Alright guys, so here is my Suburban latch. This is a 2004 Suburban. This is the latch that's meant to hold the rear panel down. Those with a Suburban know what I'm talking about. It's this. When you pick the seat up to use third row seating, you have to take this latch and clip it under there to hold this thing up. So when you put the seat up, there's a space and not this thing just like falling. But as you can see, the latch is broken. It's supposed to look like that, but this section is broken off right there. So let's go ahead and replace that section right now. First thing you need is a new latch. You can get it on Amazon. The link is in the description. So if you want to buy this, please hit the link in the description. It helps me. It's my affiliate link. Thank you so much. The clip here is held on by only 2 clips. You can see it on the new one. There's 1, there's 2. So super easy. Flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna jam this behind and break that little latch right off, okay? That clip right there, and you see there's a little clip right there, right there. That's your clip. The trick is to get them both up at the same time, or just break them. If you can break them, they'll just pop right out. It doesn't really matter if you break it because you're going to replace it anyway with a brand new one. The whole trick is just to try not to ruin this section here of the cloth or bend this too much, but it's metal and the old part's plastic. I mean, you're not going to do a whole lot of damage. So here's the new clip. This is the important part. You saw how hard it was to get out. So make sure you do it correctly. Clip down. If you install it upside down, good luck getting it back out. So you want to install it right side up. We're just going to get it here and just push it into place. Just using my palm. I just took my palm and put it firm down, and there it is. Perfectly in place, brand new clip. Let's see it work. So I'm going to fold up the seat, press the button, push it down, put the clip over. You will see that I could sit in the third row seating without having this thing lying down like that. But when I put this seat down, this becomes the floor, which is what you want. Okay, that's how that works. So now we're going to fold it back up. Put the clip on. Fold it up. And there you go. Third row seating. Yay, pretty awesome. You have a beautiful new clip. You can go ahead and get yours on Amazon.com. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you did it and how it went for you.